What's up, you guys, and happy Saturday. It is currently Saturday. The market is not open, but I did just want to hop on here and talk to you guys and let you guys know what we do on the weekend. As far as when it comes to updating the Discord, guys, we do update the Discord, as well as I even write down on my own personal whiteboard at home which type of economic fundamental news is coming out at which specific time, because guys, it's really important to understand and know when the fundamental reports are about to hit, because that can affect the market, guys. Trust me and believe me when I tell you that consumer confidence reports do come out at 7 a.m. and it ends up either tanking or pushing the market, or some other PMI, ISM services reports, construction spending and stuff like that, guys. A whole bunch of reports can come out at any time, and you got to be up to date with the economic news. It's so important to understand which fundamental news is about to come out, because guys, when I first started trading, I used to think it was all technical, and I actually used to tell myself, I don't need to know the fundamental news. That's for the other people. That's for the more advanced people. I don't care about any of that stuff that's going on. Fundamentally, leave me out of it. But guys, it's so important to understand what fundamentally is happening, because that can affect the market as a whole. And then you'll get questions from new members that I get a bunch of times, is like, hey, why did the market drop so hard at 5:30 a.m.? Well, are you not paying attention to what's happening economically on the fundamental news? There's a report that's dropping at 5:30 a.m., an hour before the market opens, which is about to affect the S&P 500s and the whole market as a whole, guys. So it's so important to understand fundamentally what's dropping, more so than technical, because technical analysis gets thrown out the window as soon as a report is about to be dropped, guys. It's so important. So anyways, that is my quick rant on understanding fundamental reports, because that is going to happen a lot this week. So I keep you guys up to date all the time with what's happening. But it's the weekend, guys. We cleaned up my trading desk area. This trading desk area looks now nice and spotless and clean. I Clorox wiped it, Lysol sprayed it. Everything is nice and top-notch clean to the crack. I'm going to come back next week with a fresh start, guys. This week coming up, we're going to do our best to find A1 setups, hold to price targets, and hold for big gains so we can live trade them. The live trades that we've been taking have been really nice and fun. I've been enjoying adding them into the videos. But guys, we're going to try to keep it up to date with the live trades, show you guys what's happening, and show you guys what it's like to be a part-time trader working towards becoming a full-time millionaire, working towards becoming a full-time day trader. Because guys, at one point I was working a full-time 9 to 5, constantly working from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m, basically 8 to 5. So it's even worse than a 9 to 5. I was at 8 to 5, one more extra hour, constantly working, had no times in the market at all whatsoever to trade anytime. The only time I had was 30 minutes, but that was not enough. And yes, don't get me wrong, you can catch moves in the first 30 minutes, but if you're trying to wait patiently for an A1 setup, it's very difficult. So now I got my education down. I've been learning the game. I've been in the game for a couple years, 2 years of straight losses, and in the third year we're recovering and made back more than what we lost in the first 2 years because of the education that we've been learning. So with that being said, guys, we're gonna head to the gym. We're gonna go get this gym session out the way. Then we're gonna work on a lot of things. As far as when it comes to work on a lot of things, what I really mean, guys, is get educated. I'm about to get more educated on editing videos, how to edit better, as well as many other things, guys. I need to learn constantly every single day. There's not a day where it does not go by where I don't watch something educational. I don't mindlessly scroll on TikTok, although I give myself maybe 30 minutes to an hour to do that. What I like to do is search up specifically what I'm looking for. So for an example, if I want to learn more about trading or just something really weird like microscopic stuff that I really do enjoy, then I'll watch microscopic things about stuff that I really do want to learn about. So this is kind of just a random video about just things that what I'm doing on the weekend is, guys, I'm furthering my education, making sure that I'm back testing. So what I'm going to do is go back in the charts and see what I missed, what I could have done, what I could have done better. Have a good Saturday. This video might or might not get posted. So if it did, then we made it, guys. So have a good rest of you guys this weekend. Happy Sunday, happy Saturday. See you guys on the trade zone on Monday.